I'm alive. Just kidding. I'm dead inside, emotionally. But that's neither here nor there. There's still only one cure for hungry, thirsty, and that...
This is an emergency alert. The current threat level is emergency. A severe fire is occurring at St. Pius X Catholic Church on Morris Road. The fire is generating large, thick, toxic smoke that is drifting across surrounding residential areas. Emergency services and Warrnambool police are on the scene. The cause of the fire is currently unknown. Police have established a strict exclusion zone around the perimeter. If you are in the affected area, you must take shelter immediately. Go indoors and stay inside. Close all doors, windows, and vents. Turn off all heating, cooling, and air conditioning. Bring pets indoors. Do not attempt to approach the area to observe the fire. High levels of toxic matter are in the smoke plume. Keep roads clear for emergency vehicles. In addition, do not call 000 at this time, unless it is a life-threatening emergency. Further updates will be issued on Warrnambool media and trusted sources as the event unfolds. Stay calm, stay vigilant, and stay safe.